5 healthy foods you should eat in the morning. Start with oatmeal. It's rich in fiber and complex carbohydrates, providing a steady release of energy that keeps you full and focused. Next, include Greek yogurt in your breakfast. It's packed with protein, which supports muscle repair and promotes satiety, making it a perfect partner for a handful of berries. Berries, such as blueberries and strawberries, are delicious and loaded with antioxidants and vitamins, giving your immune system a much-needed boost. Don't forget about eggs. These versatile powerhouses offer high-quality protein and essential nutrients like choline, which supports brain health. Finally, add some avocado to your morning meal. This creamy fruit is full of healthy monounsaturated fats that promote heart health and keep you feeling full longer. Incorporating these 5 foods into your morning routine can lead to sustained energy, mental clarity, and overall well-being, setting a positive tone for your entire day.